Hey guys, good morning. It's a new week here at DAV, and I've finished doing some code reviews for the stuff the team did for the last week, and I've added Travis CI to the project, so pretty much we're not going to have bad code anymore, hopefully. And today I'm going to keep on doing the code reviews and probably doing some more task planning for the next few weeks. So let's hear the team.
So today I'm finishing some tests for application and that's it, and I will be done with this task of the application.
Hi, so today I continue to work on the Kafka tests. I had some struggles with the mocks, but now I think it's worked very nicely, and that's all.
Today I will continue to work on the contracts. I will implement the watch contracts method, and probably will start to testing it soon. That's it.
Final, arrangements before my flight tomorrow to Germany. So I have not less than 4 meetings with different automotive companies. That should be exciting. And working also, continuing to work with Yuri on the driver side of the ride-hailing app. Hopefully this first design will be ready this week. This is it. Bye guys.
Hi guys. Today I will be wrapping up one more round of outreach to our community regarding regulatory compliance. And of course I will be managing incoming questions and follow-up. See you next time.
Hey DailyDAVers, what's up? So today I got the feedback for Giovanni's interview, so I went over them and then I did some follow-up with John about some new content he sent me to make a video out of. And then I filmed the developers for the DailyDAV, and after that I made the correction for Giovanni's interview and uploaded a ready for release link, so hopefully you guys see it soon. And now I'm gonna start writing a format for our new weekly show. That's right, you heard it correct. August 9th it's gonna be our last and final DailyDAV episode, and after that we're gonna start creating a weekly show. So you'll be hearing more about that, and that's it for now. See you next time.
Hi guys. Last week I started new Everson task for our new podcast, ride-hailing mobile app. I made one part and yesterday I started second part. Today I'll continue it. Also today I'll make a few fixes in both apps. I'll change splash screen, create new icons and make a few new design screens. Follow us and we will make work more better.